Hey guys, it's Kaitlyn. This is my first YouTube video ever, and I decided to make videos since I love singing. So right now I'm going to sing Set Fire to the Rain for you guys. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was hurt until you kissed my lips and saved me. My hands were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were never true. In the games you played, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. When it burned away, I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Well, hey, with you I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing gets better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were never true. In the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. When it burned away, I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, and afterwards into the flames. Well, it felt something dark 'cause I knew that was the last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door that don't you come, must be waiting for you. Even now I'm already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. When it burned away, I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, and afterwards into the flames. Well, it felt something dark 'cause I knew that was the last time. Oh no, let it burn. Let it burn. Let it burn. Well, yeah, guys, that was me singing, and please subscribe. This thing won't shut off.